Hello there.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hello there.
How are you?
Fine. And you?
I'm fine too. So today we are going to learn another sound, and the sound is j sound. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then repeat after me. The sound is j.
The sound is j.
The letter is z.
The letter is z.
The sound is j.
The sound is j.
The letter is z.
The letter is z.
Say louder. The sound is j.
The sound is j.
Say more louder. The sound is j.
The sound is j.
The letter is z.
The letter is z.
And the tongue twister is
Fuzzy
Fuzzy
Wuzzy
was a bear.
was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
And the tongue twister is
And the tongue twister is
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Again, the sound is j.
The sound is j.
The letter is jet.
The letter is z.
And the tongue twister is
The tongue twister is
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Okay, then I'm going to tell you the words and you have to tell me the sentences, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first word is Jew.
That food was amazing.
Jew.
That food was amazing.
Z.
It pronounced Z.
Z.
It pronounced Z.
Buzz.
I heard a buzz.
Buzz.
I heard a buzz.
Peas.
I want some peas.
Peas.
I want some peas.
Prize.
I got the first prize.
Prize.
I got the first prize.
Prize.
I got the first prize.
Zebra.
Zebra is the tallest animal of the world.
Zebra.
Zebra is the tallest animal of the world.
Zinc.
Zinc is helpful for teeth.
Zinc.
Zinc is helpful for teeth.
Zenith.
The sun rose towards zenith.
Zenith.
The sun rose towards zenith.
Zero.
I take my chance at zero.
Zero.
I take my chance at zero.
Zest.
He has a great zest for life.
Zest.
He has a great zest for life.
Zest.
He has a great zest for life.
Okay, do you understand properly?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question about this sound?
No, sir.
Do you understand Tabassum? Say louder.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Ta-da. Ciao.
Ciao.
Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Catch you later.
See you later.
See ya.
See ya.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Allah Peace.